Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make two easy tricolor badges for Independence Day using foam sheet. So let's get started. First we are going to cut out thin strips from foam sheet as shown. These sheets are easily available in most stationery shops. Just follow the steps as I have shown here and you will be able to make your own DIY tricolor badge for Independence Day celebrations. And our tricolor badge for Independence Day is now ready. So you can see how easy and simple it was to make this. Now for the second DIY badge, I have taken an old badge which I had at home. You can use any badge that you have and use it to make a beautiful tricolor one for Independence Day celebration. Just follow the steps as I have shown here and you will be able to make a very easy and beautiful badge for Independence Day. And you can see how easy and simple it was to make this as well. So I hope you all liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.